What is going on? So I'm back today. Today is May 7th, 2024. Inside the Legacy Builders Program, we're having a 10K in May project going on to where you're going to get specific training to you to help you make 10K this May 2024 could be your great year with an online business. If you're someone confused and stuck, you might want to stick around and watch this video to the end. If you're someone who want to start an online business but don't know where to start and how to start, you want to stick around for this until the end. Now, I do have a link below going to this capture page to help you get started and learn a little bit more information about what's going on inside of the digital growth community with the Legacy Builder program. Now, this is a program, an interactive program to help you get up and going with your ongoing business or starting an online business. This was put together by a seven-figure earner who's earned $1 million within 17 months coming over from the IPS, and she's now made her own program, interactive program, so that way you can get the help and structure you need when it comes to enjoying and starting an online business. I don't want to hold you up too long, so I do want to go over into the community, and I want to share some of the wins in the community. Just 11 hours ago, Haliskalin, I don't know, I might be butchering the name, I'm not good with names, but he says, I'm so excited, paid off my fourth credit card today. I'm working towards my goal for 2024 to be debt free. Using the Legacy Builders program, he's able to generate a online income and using the step-by-step guidance that they give within this program. 22 hours ago, Karen says, boom, 900, and in less than 2 days of setting up and receiving our first daily pay. Let's go, please. Thank you so much for this amazing business and community. Trisha, 11 hours ago, says, first 900, totally thrilled, even amid changes with getting the things going. Now is the oblivious. I am trying to find a copy of the welcome email. So she's trying to get things going and find a copy of the welcome emails. Inside of here with this community, you have a classroom. And inside the classroom, there's over 6, 9, 12 to 13 different modules that you can come and get resources, free webinar and details and resources. If I click on that, it's going to give you resources to the free webinars that they held within this community, online networking events, digital monthly growth membership, so that way you can have access to day-to-day trainings that are happening inside of here. We have a full content vault inside of here. They help you build, help you with content for someone who's new, don't know what to say, don't know how to say it. Inside of here, you have testimonies and webinar replays, viral hooks. If I clicked on this, it's going to give you resources to viral hooks. Also, what I love about in here is if you check the daily calendar, every other day, 3 days to 4 days a week, there's something new put into the calendar so you can interact with the owner of the company and other members in the group to get you where you need to be, and you can start seeing success with your online business or even starting up an online business, which I think is totally awesome when it comes to starting online, because having that guidance and that day-to-day motivation is really, really big and awesome to be able to have. So here, just 3 hours ago, they announced a legacy builder training. So this within this community comes with 4 different product packages. It's the launch pad, then you have the passive daily blueprints and the digital mastery, which I came in, and the launch pad is $100 to start. The passive daily blueprint is $300, and where I'm at is the digital mastery is a $600 program. But don't freak out. There is payment plans that's set in place if you cannot pay for the full system and you want to get started. They actually walk you through step by step on how to get set up with tech. So again, if we go here into the calendar, and as you can see, yesterday they had a tech support call. So you can get on live and answer any questions when it comes to setting up your page. Now, they make it so over the shoulder with learning these things that it could take you from an hour to 2 hours to set up, from setup to launch to start getting into profit within 7 days is what they teaching inside the program. Right here is just the community aspect of it. I wanted to show you guys that this program is not like anything other that you've been seeing, and others are having great success with it. I do have my website link down in the bottom, and again, as you can see, there's multiple people having their first $900 days, which is the legacy builder. Their top packet is $900. Hit my first 10K 7 hours ago. Janie Carusa, I might be saying that wrong. I have had a serious couple of weeks. Went on family vacation for a week, came home and spent a few days trying to get my life back in order, and bam, wake up and hit our first 10K. That's so awesome. So my first upgrade, Jennifer Cody, congratulations to you, because this amazing community and Launchpad community for my reasoning and the value in the Legacy Builders program and upgrades today. That's so awesome. I'm telling you, so many people are having so much success with this program. I'm sorry, I'm going on and I'm rambling. I get a little lost for words. But if you want to check this out, and I totally believe this is something that could really help you get launched and get going in your business, you're going to come over, you're going to, down at the bottom, click my email link. You're going to put your email in here, and once you put your email in here, it's going to take you over to the thank you page where Michelle, the owner of Legacy Builder, is going to give you the in-depth on what this is about and how it works. So if you want, this is totally something worth checking out. If you want to check this out, the link is in the description. And I'm going to get with you guys on the next update to